Alright, we're going to go ahead and show some more bonnet cleaning because this room's so nasty. The other room came out really good for bonnet cleaning.
The living room, the hall, and the bedroom came out good.
Yeah.
This one just doesn't have a lot of, this will turn out good, it's just we don't know if there's enough sunlight. We actually got the overhead lights on, which we hate typically doing, but
I'll try to find a spot I can stand where you see the carpet the best.
without lights,
It's better without the lights.
I don't know. Turn them all off then and we'll see what happens. Here we go. This is some real dark stuff. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it's real dark where I'm at. When you see me slow down, I'm in a guaranteed dark area. I will slow down for fun.
Then we're going to come back up here with the extractor and we're going to suck everything out of the carpets, and we also are going to have to try to use the steamer to get some of the stains out. There's gum in the carpet and there's red stains, and so we're trying to scrub out as much as we can, but we're probably going to end up having to steam out a bunch of the stuff. Not all the red stains have come up so far. And then again, excuse the lighting in here. It's kind of in a, there's nothing but shadows here, so.
Yeah, we can't.
Shut that door a little bit and that'll help some. Now on carpets like this, it's good to just scrub every square inch of the carpet that you can. On some carpets, if it's just one stained area, you can just kind of scrub the stained area and not worry about it. But on these, we're going to scrub everything.
I'm going to pull my cord in here so I can shut the door. It's pinching my cord.
That way when we run the rub doctor over everything, it doesn't have to work as hard because we've already scrubbed everything.
That way the rug doctor is one pass cleaning. The secret to a good extraction is getting it so you only get the carpet minimal wet. If you only have to clean one pass with the rug doctor, you don't get the carpet very wet. It dries in about 3 hours, and that's what you want.
Yeah, we want to keep the carpets as dry as we can, because if you get the carpet soaked, then you're going to have wicking, you're going to have browning, and you don't want to do that. You have to use enough of the water to get all your cleaning chemical out, though. You don't want to leave any residue behind, or you're going to have resoiling. So.
Now this carpet's only 7 or 8 months old, but it's actually completely trashed. The people who live here were just nasty. I mean, that's the only word for it. Nasty, filthy, gross people. I never even seen them. But I can see their carpet, so I know what they were like without seeing them face to face.
Well, I picked up a needle from one of their syringes out of the carpet,
So yeah, they were nasty.
So they were shooting up and everything in here. So this is a pretty bad deal. This is why we can't have nice things.
Yeah.
Well, you can see the texture of the carpet's already improving quite a bit.
It's going to be better.
Well, you could see if there wasn't so dark in here. But
this camera we use this Get To camera, it does an amazing job with darkness. So this video may turn out better than we think it will. But I suspect it's a little bit dark, even for this camera. But we did run into some real darkness a while back, and it turned out immaculate. So you never can tell. We'll see. If it's a good video, then you're hearing us talk. If it's not, you won't even notice.
We'll just delete the video.
It's just so you'll never even know all this conversation took place. That's the amazing thing about YouTube. You really don't know what anybody's doing, except what they post up on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll see how that does.
It'll come out.
Well, the Oreck Orbiter is the best machine if you have to clean out someone's den of iniquity.
Well,
You definitely want to have a machine that can handle it.
like I said in another video, there's bigger machines that are orbital, and they're nice and they're really, really good machines and they're faster, but they're expensive and it just depends on what your business is like.
In this machine, you can get into that closet there and shut the door and get behind the door with this machine. You're not going to be able to do that with a lot of the bigger ones. So
With this machine, I'm not going to hurt myself carrying it downstairs.
yeah.
It only weighs about 25 pounds. And it does what the big machines do, so in a way, I just don't want a big machine.
Now we've got another video that shows the pre-vacuuming of this carpet with the Dyson DC-25. And if anyone thinks that the DC-25 can't handle aggressive work,
Check it
a
out.
high dirt load, check it out because it did a really good job. I'm not saying that it's happy about it, but it took a severe beating, but it got it done.
We never knew the DC-25 vacuums were so strong. We figured it was kind of an art object.
Yeah, everybody
You know?
complains that they're underpowered and the brush motors are weak. And
Not ours.
ours has done pretty good so far.
We like ours.
Got one little dark area up in the corner here. We'll see how that goes. Luckily, most of the time, the stuff you find in carpets, even though it looks really horrible, it'll come out if you use a good machine and you have a decent chemical to use. Every once in a while, you find stuff that you just can't get out. But I'd say we get out probably 98% of everything we run into.
Most everything.
It comes out, and there's the little percentage where you've dyed the carpet or something, and you're not going to ever fix that. But most of the stuff does come out.
It's so dark in here, I can't even tell how I'm going to turn it on. Leave the camera on.
Still need to do that closet, but I'm not going to video that
I'll get
because
in
it's
there.
too hard to.
This is still a little dark. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the direction the carpet that's moving. Here's some red. That's coming out with ammonia and an iron.
Get that little stain there at the front of the closet if you want to, and I'll shut the camera off after that because that's
That
the
should
only
come
real
right
stain.
out. Shazam.
Oh, there you go. I'm going to stop the video here. We're going to also be doing some extracting and some red stain treatment. I don't know how much of it we're going to put in this video though because we don't want to put a 4-hour video up.
Well, you see a lot of videos on YouTube of people taking red stains out. They put the steamer down for 15 seconds, pick it up, and the stuff's gone, but that's not how it really works.
No. First off, sometimes it takes 25-30 minutes to get the steamer running because it takes a while to heat up. Alright, all the carpets are scrubbed with the Oreck Orbiter, and we're going to actually take it away and come back with the other machine. So we're going to stop the video here. I assume we're coming back today. If there's some sort of delay, we don't know what we got waiting on us. But if there's some sort of delay, we're going to do the rest of the carpet tomorrow. But we're going to try to do it today and just get it knocked out. But it's starting to shape up. If you look at the beginning of the video, you can see how filthy the carpet was when we started, and you can see quite a contrast already. But anyway, that's all for this little section. And I'm going to put at the end of this, I'll probably show the end result when we finished everything and it's raked. But there's also going to be some other footage, probably with the extractor that we're going to show. But you might just keep an eye out for all these videos. I put them up in sequence, so you'll be able to find it. If it's not up now, it'll be up in a week or so. But anyway, thanks for watching so far.